More than a week has passed since Hurricane Michael unleashed its fury in the Florida Panhandle. But those harrowing moments are still fresh in the minds of a number of Filipino residents. 6 Phil-Am families whose houses were destroyed are temporarily seeking shelter at Blue Angel Recreation Park in Pensacola.
Ayun, tumawag sila sa akin na kailangan nila ng lugar dito.
Maria Alejo said she and her family hunkered down in their garage for at least 5 hours while Hurricane Michael slammed Panama City. She said she and her brother had to carry a big refrigerator to block the door in their garage to protect them from strong winds.
Minove namin para hindi mabuksan yung pinto. So minove namin kasi ang lakas-lakas po talaga, tapos naririnig po namin yung mga trees falling down.
When they got out of their garage after the storm passed, they weren't surprised to see their house badly damaged. Alvin Soco's neighborhood was hit hard. His apartment now uninhabitable. He chose to heed evacuation orders, drove his family to Mississippi to escape Michael's wrath.
Kami nga mag-asawa ngayon, hindi na namin alam ngayon kung saan muna kami makikituloy, pero sa awa ng Diyos, yung kapatid ko, inoperan ako na tumira muna sa kanila.
Cynthia Nitura said her kitchen, pool, backyard, and external portions of her house have been destroyed. Her husband already contacted their insurance company so their damage claims can be processed.
Yeah, they took pictures everywhere, all my inside the house, the food, and the garage.
Cynthia's 9-year-old granddaughter, Hazley, is traumatized.
Just seeing all the houses damaged makes us sad because you spent your lives there, you grew up there. It's just devastating to leave them behind.
Soledad Marshall, who also escaped the storm, said what helped her during those frantic moments was having cash on hand. Miss Soledad keeps these dollar bills in her so-called treasure chest so that when a disaster strikes, they are prepared. These Phil-Am families have yet to return to their homes and communities, unsure of what to expect. But what's certain for now is that they're safe and that they have each other to weather through any storm. Paul Garilao, ABS-CBN News, Pensacola, Florida.